Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your Tapo C510W and how you can actually use it, the features. So this is going to be the setup for like the first installation that you would have for the app. So the first thing that you want to do is that you just want to connect the adapter that you're going to find in the packaging with the camera, and I'm going to show you how to do the first setup. So first you're going to find this red light and it's going to turn red and green as you can see. This means when it's like red and green, it's good to go and we can start connecting. So what you want to do is this. First go to Google Play Store, and there you're going to find and just want to write to search Tapo camera. And then you're going to find this app, Tapo Tapo. This is something that probably you're going to have also on iPhone if you have iPhone. So Tapo Tapo, just search for it and then click open. Now what you want to do is that when you're gonna just stop the video, download the app, and when you're gonna be here, what you need to do now is to add a product when you're gonna create your own account. Adding a product is also super simple. What you have to do is to go to top right, and now let's click add device. So here I'm going to write the search C510W. Okay, and I'm going to click next because it's blinking like the red and green as we can see. Connect your Tapo device. Go to your phone, tablet, Wi-Fi setting, join your Tapo device network. Okay, so we have to find it right here, I guess. Oh, it's right here. So connect to your Tapo device. I will turn also the Bluetooth. Go to your phone, tablet, Wi-Fi settings and join your Tapo device network. Tapo Cam XXX. Okay. So let's try it out. This is the first time that I see something like this. Here it is. Do you see that? Tapo Cam. So I'm going to connect to it. Okay. And now I go back and now it's been connected. So I just connected with the phone. This is the first time that I had to do something like this to do it. And if you can connect it, you're gonna have this is right here, the number. Now what I'm going to do, you have to now connect that your phone is right now paired with it. And now what we have to do is that we have to pair it with the Wi-Fi. So we are going to choose the network here, and primarily you need to have a network of like not above 2.4 GHz. And now I'm going to choose the laptop. I'm going to add a password. Okay, next. And it's going to say now the connecting to Wi-Fi. And it's going to say Wi-Fi connected. And you just have to wait. And now when it's finished, what you have to do, and when it's going to connect, you have to press next. And then you're going to where you place this type of device, bedroom. Next. And it sounds good. Now I will just skip this. Got it. Got it. Now I will update it later. So I just want to show you first thing. To add a SD card, what you have to do is you have to unscrew these two things. And there you're gonna find an SD card option. I'm not going to unscrew it here, so you just have to find a screwdriver and just like unscrew it. And that's pretty much it. Now let me show you how you can use the camera and what you can do with it regards the features. So here I'm going to press the Tapo. And as you can see, we now have visual coverage with motion tracking, AI-powered person detection, customize the sound and light alarm, watch, listen, and chat. Got it. Okay, we can update your device firmware to latest version for better experience. So that's something that you can also do. And now, let's see how this is going to work out. So as we can see, we got it right now rotated, so it should be like this. And looking pretty good. So what you can do is, oh, is it right now light? Okay. What I can do is this. So first thing first, you're gonna have turn like the full screen here. And what you can do is that you're gonna find option to change on the bottom left to night mode or day mode. Then you can on the top right, you're gonna have option to take picture, record video. Then with the gimbal, you can move. You can just watch what you can do. Right now, you don't have to do it by yourself. Just move like this. Then you have option to also connect and speak through it. And then also the call option, right? You can just like call to it. Then when we're gonna go back, what you're gonna find there, that not only you can pen, you can also patrol. So you can have like horizontal patrol. Look what will happen. Do you see that? So it's going to patrol. And this is really good, to be honest. Because it can just patrol and just look for things. And it looks pretty good. And also what you can try to do is the vertical patrol. Look at this. So it really depends. And now you should see me. Oh, you can't. So that's something you can do also. And you can even like choose a positions on which you would have patrol, right? Then you're gonna find also here the alarm. I'm not going to do it because everybody's sleeping at home. Then you're gonna have next to the privacy mode light. And you can turn it for 5 minutes. And do you see how the light there? And then you can have playbacks and download, like what was actually like happening that you can download, right? Like recordings and photos. Now on the top right, you're gonna find also settings. And here you're gonna have like for the video and display that you can invert the image. You can choose the video quality, the night mode settings, full color mode, smart mode. So you can just play around with the settings here. And that's pretty much it about it. And right now you see that I just changed the settings. And right now I just like inverted it. So it looks normal now. And I can just check it right now for me. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day and goodbye.